In this video, I want to discuss how you appropriately make the right shape and right size stars for any given American flag board you're going to make. With that, let's go ahead and get started. I get asked often about the American flags that I build and how I know what size the stars should be and how do I make the stars so they're in the right shape. The first thing I do is type in American flag calculator. You can see I've done that before. And I like this inch calculator right here. So I pick that. So you can either enter A, which is the width, or length, the fly, depending on which you want to control. So I normally say 12 inches or 13 inches. So I'm going to put in 13 inches here. And when I put in 13 inches, it then tells me that the flag overall dimension is going to be 13 by 24 and 11/16. And then it gives me the critical elements for each of the stripes and stars, etc. And because I'm talking about the star at this time, let's talk about this first one here, K. And K tells me that the diameter that star fits in has to be 13/16 inches. Well, did you know about that American flag calculator online? If not, maybe I taught you something new, and maybe you can show me a little love by giving me a little like down there. Just a little like right down there. Now that we know the dimension of the star based on the flag calculator we just looked at, we can create a star that we can use in any flag that we want to build. So the first thing we do is we go to the Draw a Star tool. We know it's a 5-point star. In this case, it's telling us if we create the star at this time, it's going to be 1 inch in the outer radius, and we know that the outer diameter of the star needs to be 13/16 of an inch based on what we just saw. So to get the right diameter, what we do is we do the math inside of the field, which is a great thing that can be done inside this Vectric software. So we do parent 13 divided by 16, parent, and the radius is half the size of a diameter, so times 0.5, and then we hit the equal key. And once we do that, we know we have the right diameter. Let's place that star right somewhere here in the center. How about right there? Just for kicks. And we'll blow this thing up. Now that we know we've got the right size of the star, we notice that the shape of the star isn't quite correct. And the way we correct that is by using the inner radius percentage section right here. And I know from experience that the inner radius needs to be 38. But let's just demonstrate what happens. Let's go down to 30. If I go down to 30 real quickly, hit apply, you can see the shape changes dramatically, but not to what we need it to be. So I'm going to go to 38. Hit apply, and now we've got the star that we're supposed to use inside of an American flag. I've seen several people make the mistake of leaving it with a wider radius or bigger radius on the inner, and it doesn't have the right shape like it did when we first created it. Now, just to check it, if you want to make sure it's right, let's go ahead and take a circle, put it right here in the center, and I'm going to make that 13/16 inches. To validate that, we can do 13 divided by 16 equals 0.8125. And you can see that it's right in the correct dimension. So that's how you make an American flag star using the star tool. Oh, you're here. I was just getting ready to put this away. Well, if you made it to the end, then this would be a great opportunity for you to go to my playlist that tells you how to make this Memorial Day flag for one of your veteran friends or family. I'll put the card right up in the corner here, and you can get it also in the link in the description, and you can go to a playlist that will walk you through A to Z how to make this board as a gift for your family or friends. Have a great day.